Mama wakwaba midi ede ajoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
General is prosecuting a case against somebody who has been found by the High Court and the Supreme Court to be a fraudster, to be a criminal. So he has to face criminal trial. You are a judge. You want to turn it political. Say we should discontinue. How can such a foolish man be called to the Supreme Court? How can this man be called to the Supreme Court? Because he doesn't understand what he's saying. You are a judge and you are advocating that we should discontinue a case that is going on. Are you normal? Eh, mini anmo bono fo amo ha. Mo hene no na dwene ya adwuma. Wo ye lawyer o se judge o. Emradu obi na ye de ne famra kwan so no. Wo ye NDC ni anadwene ya adwuma nti wo se ye discontinue. Nana sabe memfa wanimu tum no. Ene wo techire ma abutu ni mfe ni watem cause ebi wo meso mabusuam. Na mbom dia meka ne say ansa na wo bebie wanu nsuo ne dia kasa na ya adwene na wo nana. Wo tie akonwa so wodi nipa so. So as where in the books of the law says a case be because wa o judge betumi abegyina be man adwene judge yo come and judge it say we should discontinue it. Unye Jimmy Fua. Onya kwasiampani na na kwasiampani a. How do you go and tell people to discontinue a case here and your MPP for open a day call or mining in our lawyer penny in a court? Now, since you don't know anything because it looks like say utino esi sokwa na Jimmy Fua. Nana Jimmy Fua Jimmy nana we Jimmy utino esi sokwa. Say who nim what the cases are. Shut the fuck up and eat your chicken in your palace. Dormaahene, Dormaahene, Nana Doma, whatever your name is. Se who ni bibi papa di aka wanus yo ne katum neja Jimmy no. Kwasia kwa wo NDC wo hono sunyane airport ye tumu. Dormaahene wo NDC na wodi akira wodi nkwasia adwuma ma no. Ebra no mo wa ban mu no airport ya na de anyonyam bra u region ya tumu ya se ye niska ya de be operate enda ekufu adu tietia no bokopion no achi mafia no wa bie ama wukuro mu furanya so mfaso jimifo suenyansa sa wona na anom ebe hu nim nyansa o mu de betufu ame akwada su kono ma metufu se ja jimie no Dormaahene wo kan kwase asam dodo. Who can and kwasiasem too much. One. Answer na way bebano. Na yadin kaya kachre asen no fufuo. Any James Jachi question say, brother, dia wuko ye, sa wuko kurana ye to abama wa. Ebe ye din se wo beko parliament because there is a criminal proceedings against you. Man kanwa. What was the response of James Jachi question? Or say ya man mpa ewo court. Meboa. Na obewu ama send off. Sometimes some of you must said that thought time the man buying for no reason. Jachi question response you the man and say ya man mpa court. Na prison kura wo be kwa koda e dia ma send off. Wonu nkasaba a owo Canada a onimude a already who said the be me papa ya na criminal. Said daddy, why are you allowing these villagers to push you down? Daddy didn't listen to his princess. Oh. Daddy listened to Esiedun Ketia, John Mahama, who said, I'm a kasa mo betchen and some to be a fanantum. Enti enese ye de ne fa kwan so a go blame stupid NDC party. Blame Mahama. Utie. Blame Esiedun Ketia. Blame Sami Jemfi. And blame James Jachi Kwesi himself. Wamu no mo kachira mo say. And fan who say fiase kura na wo be kwa kodenti afi de ade na yenjai case no. Madwene nya adwuma ho. Ase no fofo amoye NDC for madwene nya adwuma. Ase no akwasiampafo adwane NDC ko no madwene nya adwuma wa ho. Ya kwato aba ne ya ka kira mo na mo se nya hwe ono na mo pra beda jail kura mo penti mo beto aba ma no. Nti ade na mo se case ni yentwam. Sometimes some of you must said that thought time the man buying for no reason. Jati Kwa is in response to the man and say, "Young man in power court. No prison cry or back or da at the amassing of. One kasaba, or Canada, or Nimode, or reading who said the Abidiame papaya near criminal. Said, Daddy, why are you allowing these villagers to push you down? Daddy didn't listen to his princess. Oh. Daddy listened to Esiedun Ketia, Dormaahene, who said, I'm a Kaisa, I'm betting, someone to be a fanantum. And Tiana say, the name for Kwanswa. Go blame stupid NDC party. Blame Mahama. Utie. Blame Esiedun Ketia. Blame Sami Jemfi. And blame James Dachikwesin himself. Woman no mo kachira mo say and fan who say fiase kura na wo bekwa kodenti afa de ade na yenjai case no madwene nya adwuma ho asem no ofofo amoye NDC fo madwene nya adwuma asem no akwasiampafo adwane NDC ko no madwene nya adwuma ho ya kwato aba ne ya kachira mo na mo say nya hwe ono na mo pra beda jail kura mo penti mo beto aba ma no nti ade na mo se case ni yentwam asa Intina mo dwen se mo be yesa na ya fa no. Na fe no mo de by force or time gidi aya na e jai case ni be prosecute no be kwa kodem sa Adamu Sakande. James Dachi Kwesen, Joe Kwesen will rot in jail again just like Adamu Sakande. We are not discontinuing no case. Mutie, no amount of pressure is going to let us discontinue any case. According to you people, you don't care even if the man is not able to come to parliament. You just love him, so keep loving him. You were given a choice to make. And you people chose James Dachi Kwesen. Entienne, se court china boaswa. You people should shut your mouth. Some kuras NDC for na mo asen off na mo se ase kro bebrebe no mo hu ntehwe mo ho basa no mo njan kwase asam ne ka me wo video bi wa amebo said they are going to naked them na me kra nke be me de papa mo wro mo ho na obi ahu sabe body ekura mo wro mo ho na obi ahu body se ekura mo sensen afa ye hu dross ye hyehyɛ mo mra akwasiampafo ma nyansa ni mutirima moa mugina ho no ye pa de papa de amamukuro wo se kwasia party loyalty ntimo be kwakofo obi a ontumi nkɔ sebe parliament nkɔ gya de papa mfamre mo na afa ye de na amamu awi a wo se court case ni yen discontinue mabodam papa ase no of NDC fo me se mo ya akwasiampafo papa mutiri so no papa mpa so ene ye betwam NDC fo a mo wa ase no of you had the choice